In this video, I'll show you how to buy EPD senior notes online. This presentation will guide you through the steps to buy Enterprise Products Partners EPD senior notes online. We'll cover key steps from research to choosing a broker, setting up your account, and completing the purchase process. Step 1. Research EPD senior notes. Before buying EPD senior notes, research the bond's yield, maturity, rating, and any associated risks. Make sure it aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Check financial news and sources for recent EPD updates. Step 2. Choose an online broker. To buy senior notes online, select a brokerage platform that offers bond trading, such as TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, or E-Trade. Check each broker's fees, services, and ease of use for bond transactions. I'll leave a link to them in the description down below. Step 3. Open and fund your account. If you don't have an account with your chosen broker, sign up by providing personal and financial details. Complete identity verification and deposit funds into your account for trading. Step 4. Search for EPD senior notes. On your brokerage platform, navigate to the bond trading section. Search for EPD senior notes by entering the issuer's name, EPD, and reviewing available bonds, including maturity dates, yields, and prices. Step 5. Place an order. Once you've selected the bond, choose your purchase type, market or limit order, enter the quantity of notes, and review the total costs, including any fees. Confirm the order to execute the transaction. Step 6. Monitor your investment. After purchasing, monitor your EPD senior notes regularly. Track interest payments, maturity dates, and market performance to ensure they align with your financial goals. Conclusion. Buying EPD senior notes online can be straightforward with the right steps. With careful research, a reliable broker, and diligent monitoring, you can make informed bond investments that suit your portfolio. For more guidance, consult your financial advisor.